And evening to you all, wherever you are joining me at this moment. Welcome to 393 edition of Investdata Trading Academy live with Ambrose. Yes, I'll tell you that the global market, as we speak, is still very, very much mixed. Yes, Asia market, most of the market in that region are on holiday for the New Year celebration. Don't forget that this is the time they celebrate their New Year in that economy, in that domain. Apart from Asia, apart from Australia, that market has opened for the day over there. I'll tell you that Japan is also having a national holiday, while South Korea, or China, they are all on holiday. But if you look at the market that opened in Australia, it's opened marginally in the southward direction as a result of losses. One of the biggest pharmaceutical company have registered at this hour that but despite the positive earnings that they're managing in that region, the loss in this particular blue chip company, one of the leader in the pharmaceutical company in that market, put down that market as we speak, despite that the positive kind of sentiment that we saw in the Wall Street on Friday that was almost gained almost 5,000 at that same day. But I'll tell you, with that all positive sentiment that we saw on last Friday, this morning no, Australia market is open slightly in the red. But if you look at what is happening in the Eurozone for me, no market there has opened. I'll tell you most of the stocks there are in green because Euro stocks have climbed up this morning as the tailwind from the bounce we saw on Wall Street like on Friday, like I told you, that push S&P almost closing above 5,000 as I mentioned earlier. For the first time in a long time, that sentiment, that momentum continue in the Eurozone, especially as we have seen that earnings that are monitored from that zone are positive, even as all eyes are still on macroeconomic data that will guide the Euro central bank's rate outlook. I would say despite that, we are seeing that the market in that direction on that zone is also looking up. For me, it's a good one, but it's a good start for Eurozone, and we are seeing activities there also improving because of what? Because of positive earnings that we are seeing, even when the economy slightly come out from what? Recession, because all eyes were thinking that the economy will go, but the large GDP figure that came from Eurozone showed that they were kind of drastically slim out of recession, which is a good one. But since then, the numbers that we're seeing, especially corporate earnings and the macroeconomic data we're seeing there, we're seeing improvement. Even as the last quarter, the fourth quarter GDP also was up slightly, but our eyes are still on the consumer price index, which is also going to come from Spain and other regions like Switzerland. All these survey also give insight what is happening in that region. But I believe that across the Atlantic, investors will keep their eyes on what on US January inflation data, and that is not in use again. I'll tell you, this is why market timing is very, very important because the potential of rate cuts, in Fed in the US have the way of spilling over to order. That's why I said everything is what is on this macroeconomic data. Even the US market is flashes this morning because also all eyes are still on the macroeconomic data that also give insight what is likely to happen in that market. But as we speak now, like I said earlier, the US market is flat. All eyes are still on the inflation figure for the month of January, but we'll see. The earnings that are coming from companies also still remain positive, and also major news of Diamond Black, and also the energy and also the Envo energy resources coming together is also a boost for the market. This merger is also about 50 billion dollar merger that will come into the economy, into the business of energy and the oil in that economy in that region. That is also a news for investors, and that also has the way of impacting on those stocks that are involved in that environment. Putting that the sentiment in the US market is still positive, but market is still flat as far as are still looking at what will be the deflation figure tomorrow being Tuesday as far as that also activities that is going down the market this morning. But as market going through the day, there must be a change or likely either positive or negative. But prior to this time, market is flat. I can say that yes, the mega cap before now have put the market up. The life of all the tech companies like like Microsoft and every other one, all the blue chip company blue chip makers, sorry, chip maker companies like Nigeria, all of them, Investdata, and all of many of them that are are put market up in that environment. That's why the telecom and the tech company have supported U.S. market as well. Just like here in Nigeria, we have seen how the high cap stock have pushed our index to all-time high of almost 105 before we start seeing profit taking that put the market down as to speak. But to me, there's no cause for alarm. And oil price across the market, both US in Europe, we saw a kind of a pullback in oil price as oil market traders or sentiment change as a result of what profit taking. Profit taking is coming as they look out to see the increasing tension in the Middle East and that of Europe and Ukraine and Russia as the latest news that drones has also kind of strike most of the refinery there or the production there in Russia, South Russia. We're all seeing that, but now we're seeing that price is pulling back as the people are taking profit after the oil price have recorded about almost 6%. For just on week, this is what is happening. But I believe that investors, around this market are also looking to see where the market will move from at this time. But don't forget that all eyes are seeing as different meeting, about almost 8 meetings have been scheduled this week, for where different members of the Fed committee will also be talking. That will also bring more light on if this higher and longer rate regime or cycle will continue. No, it is at the end of the day. But don't forget that all eyes will still on March, where the next meeting, policy meeting in that environment will come. But to speak, this week is data pack. When I mean data pack, most of the market across the globe are expecting one economic data or the other to shape the market. Yeah, if you look at Africa, Africa market is still made, but good thing that NGS here has opened on a positive note, extending the rebound we saw on Friday. That tells you that we are seeing investors trying to look at how they can take advantage of the market pullback to position forward for dividend income. Yes, I also say sorry to all market players for what happened during the weekend that the demise of Herbert Wigwe, we know is a visionary leader, but God knows the best. But market has opened this morning. You can see that the access stock pullback to around 22 before the banding. But one thing is that investors should not panic. You know that access is a big operation that succession plan has to be in place. We saw what happened when in GTB, one of the pioneer also answer the call. No, still because of their consistency, and also because of also the social plan over there, you can see that how no confidence have been built on that. I believe that as what has happened, we don't pray for it, but since that's not God knows the best, I think the people in that team, we pray the leader will agree, but others will have to step into his shoe and work as a team and they keep the company going. Also, an opportunity for them also to see that if they can solidify all their merger and acquisition, then branching more, that consolidate and make sure that they bring all all the other acquired are there into put into place and start reduce their acquisition to see how this merger will also boost their bottom line. Already, we have seen the impact of the mergers on their top line. Their gross earnings in the market have shown that they are heading somewhere. But once they are spending money to acquire, look at that their bottom line is remaining slim. But if they can slow down, we then see how they can harness all they have. I think there's a lot of potential in that company. So if you are there, you need to panic out, hold on. But I believe that the management and the board of assets are capable of taking assets to the next height. There's no cause for alarm. I know that yes, we all know the role we have played so far and where it's taking the corporation or the group. But I believe that people also are there to continue from where it stopped. Yes, if you look at the market this morning, we're seeing that our market, like I said, is also open in the green. For me, which is a good one. We want to look at the index and its performance before we go into looking at some technical things that is going to help us to manage our loss in this market and at the same time to stay ahead of the market. We must understand the momentum, the price action, and also what is the volume doing. Your trend line also be a guide for you to manage the market at this time, especially now we're seeing market is correcting. Is the gas for the market at the finish as market have formed a double top? I'll see it coming down again. It's going to break down to the double bottom that we're seeing again to continue in the downtrend, which will confirm a decline. As we speak now, market, I think we say the market is in a distribution phase. Any moment from now, we're going to slide to the decline phase or markdown phase, or is it going to come back and also continue to see another markup at this point of distribution? Yes, because it's a very dicey point, fear to accumulation. But when you see a market accumulating, it's different from what we are seeing now. It's a very, we are seeing a consolidation at this range. We're going to chart to talk down more of that, but will it continue in this direction? You want to ask yourself, what's the next? If I'm targeting dividend income at this point, see what is happening in the alternative market. What is happening in the alternative market? Is it going to affect this market? Also, the coming MPC meeting, what's going to be the weight on the market? Already we have seen the sign that you also know if it comes again, will it also turn around the market or put the market in a messy situation? Or the inflation figure we are looking at to see next week, on Thursday this week, if that's going to change the face of the market, we also have to put it at the back of our mind. That's why following the market live is very, very important. And also what to shape the market. But I tell you, the sentiment and the price that determine whether the sentiment to impact price positively or negatively. That's why all eyes must be on what? On your price, and also use your chart to know the next move that likely to come, because I tell you, each candlestick represent the sentiment and the psychology of people in the market. If you can read that chart candlestick very well, I'll tell you most times you're able to predict the market, because the price, the seller and the buyer agreed on the stock. That is the fastest way to know the value of the stock. Yes, we can use our fundamentals to do all the discount model on the value and overvalue, but technically we can also know that when the market is overbought and also oversold, and also when candlestick review the attitude of people in the market, it gives more information what to do. When you combine it with volume, it gives also. That's why you must know the strength or the momentum behind each rally you are seeing or each trend you are seeing. Is it one that will continue, or it just go and also to fade out? You must know all this as a trader or investor. That is the only way you can protect your capital and at the same time stay ahead of the market. You must understand the market where you are trading. And I believe all of us in this class and those that are following us on different fora, you can only understand that we will guide you to make what informed investment. One thing is that after the class, you take decision, you take action. That is what matters. If you want to hold, you hold. You want to buy, you buy. You want to exit for profit, you exit your position. You want to cut loss. This is why you don't hold market like if you are married a wife. No, you are there to make money. What you do, opportunity to take profit, catch it. Opportunity to cut loss. Opportunity to bounce, to average down. It comes average down because you know why in the market and what attracted you to individual stock or what sector, the policy of the government, which sector is going to benefit from it. You must navigate all this to stay ahead of the market. Like I tell you that when your winning side is more than your losing side, that is why you are ahead of the market. You must not say you are moving with the trend of the market, because you can't catch it at the peak to sell or get it at the bottom. No, but if you're getting near bottom to buy, also near it at the peak to exit, you know that you are doing well. You must not get that way. That is why nobody has 100% control of the market. But when you have a plan and you are trading your plan, you're able to work, to go in and go out at the right time. And also don't be emotional to anything that has to do with your cut loss. You want to exit the market, your profit, not all these targets there for your own sake, so that your own good, so that you know exactly how to protect your hard-earned money or your capital you are trading with. Yes, like I said earlier, that the market, this one as they are talking in the green, but while the market is doing 102,000, 102,118, 118.71 point. This is the index itself. But index has gained 260.34 basic point. This is the number, and all by what? 0.28, almost 0.3. But tell you the market is in the green. We are seeing that there were seeing more gainers at this hour in the market, because we are seeing that about 18 stocks are in the green, while 9 is on the loser chart. That means market is having positive trend to support the index closing in the green. For me, it's a good one for the market. But we want to quickly look at the top gainers and losers before we go looking at our chart. We look at the market as general and also look at what the individual stocks that are bringing the turnaround in the market. It's very, very important that we do that. 18 stock in the green and 9 stock in the red. This is the position of the market. But if you look at the top losers, we are not surprised that we are seeing that Me and Baker is leading the losers pack now with 9.3 down, staying around 6 naira 35 kobo, followed by Lasaku 2 naira 40 kobo, down by 8.7. We are seeing also Suno Assurance also on that pack, on that chart, 7.8% down. Access Corp 23 naira 20 kobo, 6.3 now, and universal insurance 2.7. You can see that the market is still looking forward direction. Why? It has extended what they bought. And see that people are not selling and following the market, so that people are doing what we call wait and see, especially in the early season. When the money, the smart money are not selling, but when they see them making a move, especially when they rebalance their portfolio and in line with the regulators, we saw how the market shake. But right now, to speak now, we know that because of the any season around, dividend season around, people are not selling now, but some are taking advantage of that to accumulate. When the price of stock are pulled back, that is what is happening in the market right now. For those that are in profit, you know why also you have to take profit. But I believe that this market pulling back now, trying to rebound, is for good, but don't jump into a stock that you know that they don't have all it takes to pay dividend, because at dividend season, those stocks without dividend history are the ones that people were exiting to buy into stocks that have history of dividend payment. That means as a trader or investor, know why we're buying a stock, because we traders are entering a stock that when they announce their dividend or their earnings, a trigger will take our capital return accountable. For those that are going for dividend income, you must have seen their unaudited account to give you an insight how what they have done and the quality of them to pay dividend. If they have surpassed even in Q3 their full year 2023 or with the unaudited account, I think that they've done excellently well, and that will support dividend growth. You go ahead and buy into the company. For me, this time is time to what we call intelligent investing. We do what intelligent investing and information-driven investing, not following bandwagon or just doing because others are doing. No, that's why you have a goal and you also have to trade your goal. Just quickly look at the top gainers. Top gainer, we are seeing that UPDC has come over this morning to lead after it has pulled back for like 2 days. Now gaining 9.3% to lead the pack at 1 naira, almost 1 naira 85 kobo as we speak now for UPDC, or 1 naira, okay, 1 naira 77 kobo, followed by Veterans Capital also up by 9%. We are seeing Cornerstone has also extended the gain to 2 naira 40 kobo, 7.6% in the green. Elale AS have future back again this hour. It's among the top gainers, 7.5 up, and Geregu now selling around 7 naira 721 naira 50 kobo, gaining 45.6 naira, that's 45 naira 60 kobo, up by 6.7. Yes, you can see that Geregu is almost heading almost the same price with the what with Dangote, and we see this kind of movement as it also influencing the index. Yes, we have seen some stock gaining, but the weight of Geregu is part of what have put the market in this dimension of green. For me, it's not a bad one. Yes, you look at the volume traded so far. Veterans Capital is also leading in terms of volume. Have traded 23.7 million shares, followed by Access Corp 19.2 million shares at 3 naira 20 kobo. FPN Holding 16.3 million shares traded so far at 5 naira 50 kobo. GT Code 39 naira 85 kobo, traded 8.2 million shares, and Transcorp 13 naira 49 kobo, traded 6.7 million shares traded. That's why the volume in the market is not much. You can see the attitude of wait and see of market players as any season draw closer, and the early filers are likely to start hitting the market with their result any moment from now. Yeah, quick one. We'll come back to the chart to see what is happening in the chart. This is a live chart. You can see that the market has made higher highs, but at this point, you can see that the fear of missing out that upon the market there is gradually fading out. Then the real business activity is coming back to the market. Those that understand the market are playing the market with the strength of what the fundamentals are changing, looking at the numbers and also what is happening in alternative market, and at the same time what is likely to come out with their dividend and timing to see what as dividend as forecast will come, and also what is the yield in the market. Already we have seen that there's a sell-off in bond market, moving the world of treasury bill to the treasury market, which is the money market. Let's see how it will go, and also when the numbers are in the market, how it's going to change the face of the market. But if you look at this, you can see that it's making higher, but now market is consolidating, which I discussed on Friday. Just to draw your attention back to what I said on Friday, you can see that at this point, this is a strong word, a strong support level, for the market. You can see it here. This green line I just drew there, and also at the top here, the market has one double top. You can see the top here. When you get to this level, that is where the gas, in the market finish after rallying for almost how many months, from the month of September the end of January. Market has been in the orbit. You can see where what has from now. Market touch. You can see that market is within this rectangle now. Let me call it rectangle. This is the resistance here. This is the support level. At this point, you can call this what the supply zone. This is the what the demand zone. At this point, people are supply market are not nobody is ready to buy pay more than that, and the energy that brought the market to this level is weak. As I say, the gas, the energy, the force that put the market here also is weak. It came down, but still it rebounded. It touched the same level with it came down. Now it also touched the same level in terms of that. This already also called double bottom. I see double bottom in technical analysis, it tells the market to go. I see double top tell the market to come down. But now that double bottom, you can see that market was in green on Friday. I know so it's extended that green this morning again. Is they going to continue and test this resistance and break out? Once break out, that will now confirm a new rally entirely. But as far market is within this range, what we call a market is consolidating. At this consolidated level, it's very dicey. Either a breakdown or a breakout. And how long it stay, this this region also tell you that whether there will be consolidation that will lead to a breakout, a rally, or lead toward a decline. But let's cross our finger and see where the market is going from here. There's no cause for alarm, but you invest with what with your invest with what or trade with your plan or invest with your plan. You must know what you are doing in the market. Don't just follow back up. The store that meet that will meet your goal, that is where it should be. If not, exit and move ahead. Yes, because of our time, let's quickly call up our indicators because we need them to let us know what exactly we are doing in the market. I will call up the ADS here, which is very, very important for me. I want to call the ADS. We want to know the strength of the market this why, and also look at our MACDs. Look at the 8 days moving average exponential. Look at money flow. No, we'll do with this study for today. Let us know crowd our chart with what with sorry, I didn't call up the I didn't call up the MACD. Okay, I did now. Oh, sorry. Let me call up the MACD. Our T line, it is very, very important for us. I don't joke with it. Let's call up our MACD in this discussion. Yes, our MACD, consider it's 9, but how to change it to what? To 8 to meet our purpose for this class. It serves as our resistance and our support level. And also, if you can see the blue line here, like I told you, whether it's serving as what as the support and resistance, you can see that all this while the markets are above it, you see that market momentum is strong. But when you see that the farther you see the index from the T line, tell you how the strong momentum is. But now I can see that the momentum is weak now. That's why you are seeing that it's close to my T line. It touched it, it went up again. It touched it, it slightly came down now, but it's already trading slightly above the flat on the T line. That's why I said here market is moving forward. The trigger. Let's see how far to go. But if you look at your money flow index now, money flow is looking at almost around 55. That's where it's coming. There's a profit taking activity, and there's a divergence here now in terms of money flow. Money flow is looking now why the market is trying to go up for 2 days now from Friday and this hour from the opening to this hour market remaining green. But money flow is looking now even when it shows sign on Friday to rebound, but see it's going further down. Says that despite the market is in green, we're seeing activities of fund leaving the market. You can see it here, and also we're seeing that ADS that have read almost around 78 is coming down, reaching around 72 now. Yes, it's looking down already, and I told you anytime you see that this blue line is above the red one, that is exponential. As it's coming now down, once it crosses it, also confirm what money flow is saying, despite that they were saying green here. You must understand all this as a trader or investor. You can look at 1 hour chart to see what index look at in 1 hour time. In 1 hour time, is still within 1 hour chart, within what the rectangle, the support and the root is called the value area again. Like the market is still there. You can see the blue line where it is trending at this point here on 1 hour. Market has remained in this dimension. But if you look at your ADS, you can see that it's low around below 20 on 1 hour. But you can see that the blue one is trying to also cross the red one for the momentum, and we're seeing money flow looking sharply up mostly on the 1 hour chart. These are the things that you need to consider to see where is the market going, in the short term, in the short time frame and the long time frame. Also, if you look at the 4 hour chart, which is also for me is very, very important, you see that the same pattern we have seen in the daily chart was also we are seeing. Money flow is looking down. You can see all this. These are the things you need to know in the market as a trader or investor in the market. Yes, again, our time is fast spent. On this note, I'll say thank you for your time. Continue from here on Wednesday by God grace. See you and enjoy the rest of your trading day. No time to look at other stuff, but to look at more stuff by Wednesday that can get more information on the India stuff. But very important here because of our time is fast spent. See you on Wednesday, hopefully by God grace. Again, bye.